This game has been circling around my recommended on Roblox, so I'm gonna play it. Hop in a boat, start a new voyage. I'm gonna play by myself. I'm the king. I'm the king. I'm the king. I'm the king. I'm the monkey. Oh yeah, I hope you like the video I made. What am I doing? Oh, a long time ago, this monkey lived in a great tree. It made lamps and ate bananas. One night, a terrible storm came and flooded the lightning struck there. Yeah, I don't care. Okay. This game actually looks kind of cool. Oh yeah, Sketch played this. I'm still punching like a rat, I think. How do I stop punching, I guess? Crap. Chair, find his. I don't have enough. I'm still punching. Sail. Oh wait, we're actually sailing? I meant to say. Let's see what's over here. I see an island over there. I'm gonna go see what that is. Monkey. Monkey. I'm a monkey. Monkey. I'm a monkey. I eat bananas just to eat. Oh no. Oh. Fail. I'm not island. Hiya. 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 He ha. Hoo ha. He. Monkey. Log pick up. Hold up. Let me put this back. Yeah. Craft. Huh? Chair. Put it right there. Where do I put it? Drop. Just in case I want to sit down and relax. Stick. Let's go. I'm gonna go get some other stuff. Let's explore this island together, boys. Ow, okay. Lesson learned. Don't touch the spike things. Ah, I'm drowning. Help. Put up. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Here. Molly, I'm dead. I don't care if I have 15% battery. If it dies, it dies. Actually, I do care. Ow! How am I not dead? Grab. Hold up. Food! Eat. I gained 50% health. Hold up. Yes! Raw cart. Are you? Let me in. Yeah, you hear that? Harpoon. Monkey. So the storm. Oh, poop. The storm is here, I guess. Huh? Swap to tail. Yeah, I have it there in case. So what a storm happens. It's fine, trust. Hold up. Rock. Drop. Wahoo! Waha. Torch. What do I do with this? I don't. I'm gonna get to 100% health. On the raft to attach them for storage. Okay, hint, okay. Yeah, Yahoo, 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 Yahoo. Yeah. Drop. Put a rock to destroy it before the puncture. Okay. I'm gonna put it here because it kind of looks cool. Swap, tail, drop. Pick up. Hold up, isn't it stored? Yeah, I'm gonna put it.
Yeah. Yeah, because they move the clock.
Wahoo. Wee. Monkey. We are monkeys.
Well, yeah,
Yum. Yummy. I'm a fat. Swap tail. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm okay. The monkey's okay. I'm the monkey, by the way. Please. Whoa. Okay, I'm okay. La la lo. I see you. What kids is all it takes to follow.
Yeah, because when the electrician is left in it, they wouldn't pour it in. Before.
Medicine fruit. What is this?
But you got no TV or nothing.
What's this, huh? Die. Yeah. Die. Whatever you wear.
Yeah.
We got a stick from that. I thought we were gonna get something else.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yahoo. What?
Because they never, yeah.
Swordtail.
Yeah. Yeah, the black one.
Yahoo.
Yeah.
Game over. Wise monkey.
The phone. Yeah, the only thing, because they move it out and they plug it in again. Because they shut down the breaker.
That's all, folks. Bye.